Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add Ticketmaster tickets to Samsung Wallet. First, open the Ticketmaster app on your phone. Sign in to your Ticketmaster account. Tap the three-dot menu and select My Tickets. Find and select the event for which you have tickets. On the ticket screen, look for the Add to Google Wallet button. Tap the button if your phone gives you an option. Choose to save it to Samsung Wallet. If not, save it to Google Wallet, which Samsung Wallet can also access. Before arriving at the venue, confirm the ticket shows correctly in your selected wallet. And that's it. That's how to add Ticketmaster tickets to Samsung Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.